I have to put the back bumper back on because we don't want to go on the street without a bumper and no license plate. We always got to be legal out here. So let's put this bumper back together and keep going. Let's get it. All right, guys, so bumper is all zip tied up. I was able to put this light back on. The whole bumper was damaged here, so I put a zip tie through there, holding it on that side. It held, and then I put the clip here with the bolt there, and then all this stuff got put zip tied back together. So we're looking good. Now time to put it back on the car.